Growth, frustration, meetings and farewells. With many wills and ambitions in his heart, Sasuke Uchiha gazed down on the battlefield. Together with the truth of his brother Itachi, he sought out a new path for himself, and then...
Now that's a sight for sore eyes.
I knew it was you, Sasuke!
Cutting.
I thought I sensed your chakra, so I busted out of jail to come and check. How dare you betray me like that? Why, Sasuke?
Once he took you hostage, you became a burden.
I'm never gonna forgive you for what you've done!
Sorry.
You think sorry is gonna cut it after everything you've put me through? You good for nothing?
I see you're as weak as always when it comes to Sasuke, Karin.
Judging from the color of her hair, she must be from the Uzumaki clan. Sure brings back memories. My wife was from that same clan.
Much as I enjoy hearing my brother reminiscing, save it for later.
Yes, you're right. We must get to the battlefield as soon as possible.
No, there's something we need to do first. We can head to the battlefield. However, I'm doubtful as to whether we should be taking this lot along with us.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, if you're going to get under our feet, you should just stay away.
That's how you see us, is it?
Not you, Orochimaru. You're fine. But the others...
Then why don't you put them to the test?
I intend to.
Very well. I'm in too. It will do me good to move my limbs a bit before the battle. Sarutobi, join us. Let's all fight together. It's been too long.
Understood.
Then it's decided. Sasuke, Jugo, and Suigetsu. Show them what you can do.
What? Why me?
Karin's a healer. You men are the combat specialists, aren't you? And where is this test to take place? Surely not here.
Don't be ridiculous. We'll go to the place Hashirama and I used to use for training.
Ah, yes. We shouldn't be disturbed here. Good.
So, the three of us have decided to test your strength as fighters. If you fail to impress us...
Save the explanations. Let's just do this.
Hey, stop taunting them.
Suits me. We don't have much time. Oh, impressive. He's covering himself perfectly. This should be fun.
Let's go.
It's serious.
Inferno style. Susanoo flame control!
Let's go.
If we end up passing, that means we have to fight in a war too, right? So if we go easy on them and end up losing,
let me fight that.
Let's go. I know, I was just saying. I swear I won't go easy on them. Should I do it?
Flame control. Further style. Flame control. Right there. Too slow. Got you.
They make a lot of noise, but this is the true extent of their power.
I don't know. I get the impression that we haven't seen what they can really do yet. It should be interesting to see how they rebound from that. You got it. Take over for me.
You do the rest. You're mine. Messing out. Great. Awaken. You aren't supposed to go to sleep yet. Choose your own path and walk again.
I'll help.
Good job standing back up. Now, let's continue.
You're an ice. Inferno style. Susano flame control. Burnout.
We're actually not being murdered?
So. Now then, let's see what you've got.
Seems kind of scary.
Now's the time.
Right there. Right here. Right there.
Wooden dragon jutsu.
Flame control. Come on. Right. Right there. Inferno style. Flame control.
They're quite powerful.
It's too early to judge yet. We've got to... What are you playing around for? Water style! Water shockwave!
Suigetsu. I knew it'd be me.
Won't be able to hold on forever.
Got it.
Not bad. Wood style, wood expulsion jutsu. Now, what will it be? Yes, that will do.
So, how do we do?
I imagine Madara will be surprised to see such powerful ninja arrive.
In other words?
I suppose this means you passed.
Yes. I admit that you're stronger than I imagined.
Whoa!
Now then, the other group is waiting. Back to the village.
Aha! Sasuke!
Sorry to keep you waiting.
How did they do?
Oh yes, excellent. We'll all be heading straight to the battlefield. ХОКАГЕ! It's time at last. As we stand atop the mountainside images that have long watched over the hidden leaf, let the sight of the village be imprinted in our minds as we charge into battle to defend it.
I'll be able to see my son at last. Naruto, I haven't been able to be much of a father to you, so I'm going to try to make it up to you now. I'm bringing a big present with me.
I haven't fought a war in a long time. I'd better keep my wits about me.
Madara, I'm going to defeat you once and for all!
I know it's inappropriate, but I can't deny that I'm excited about seeing my old friend again. There's always fighting in this world. But this is going to be the last war. To battle!